So we're here in Chula Vista in San Diego County, and we're just finishing an install for our dynamic object detection solution, and we're installing it on a Caterpillar 972M. So up here you'll see at the front of the vehicle, or the front of the cab, we've got a custom mounted bracket that we have our front camera for. Here on the left side of the vehicle, you'll see that we have a radar about 6 foot high, protected from the mud by the bumper, and then above that we have a camera that's also using a custom bracket, and it's further away or higher up than the mud, so hopefully it should not get blocked. And if we move around to the back of the vehicle, we have a radar. It's offset, it doesn't have to be in the middle. Ideally the cameras are in the middle, so it's better for our 3D image stitching for our surround view. That's part of our dynamic object detection. And so here we have the rear camera backing out a little bit. You have your radar, and what we're doing here is a type of sensor fusion. So cameras are very good when there's good light. Radars work better in very poor conditions. But between the two, we're using a sensor fusion type to basically make sure if there are objects coming towards the vehicle, or a vehicle is heading towards them, that the driver is alerted by audio and visual alerts. And what you'll see here is, in order to mount these brackets, such as this radar here, we had a great journeyman technician called Manny that basically did these custom brackets that would tie into the existing screws that were on the vehicle, so it doesn't affect the vehicle's warranty. And then here we have, right below the battery compartment, we're finishing up the cabling. Our system's in there. It's a waterproof enclosure, helps keep it dry in the harsh conditions. And then all that should be output on the screen up here in the driver's near the driver's seat to the right, that can help the driver see all around the vehicle, even though he has poor vision up there, especially for the